right, area, perimeter, and classifying quadrilaterals. So that's what we're working on today. I'm going to do problems 1, 2, and 5. Okay, 1, 2, and 5. I'll give us an example of each type different shape on here. So I'm going to start out by classifying this one. This one's pretty easy. It is a square. So, all right, square. I know it's difficult to write on here, so deal with it. All right, next, area and perimeter. Perimeter should be pretty easy. It says S, so here's the square. Okay, it says S, and then S is equal to 5.4. Okay, or sorry, not 5.4, 5.6. So 5.6. Okay, so I know this is a square, so all 4 of these sides are S's. So I can say 5.6 plus 5.6 plus 5.6 plus 5.6. Or a simpler way of saying that would be 5.6 times 4. So 5.6 times 4 is equal to 22.4. That's what I'm going to put as, not the area, as the perimeter. And then lastly, area for a square, base times height. So I'm going to say 5.6 times 5.6, which is equal to 31.36. Now remember, this gives us some units. This says millimeters, so we are going to label them. So for the perimeter, we'll say 22.4 millimeters, and then for the area, we'll say 31.36 square millimeters. That's a terrible 2 square millimeters. Okay, so that is problem number 1. That is a square. Next, we've got a parallelogram. Okay, so we've got a parallelogram. Looks like this, roughly, right? And then it says a. And this one's actually a rhombus. Okay, so this says that A is 6.4. And H is 5.8. All right, so first perimeter, or actually, sorry, this is a rhombus. I know it's a rhombus because it is a parallelogram where all 4 sides are the same length, right? A square is a rhombus as well, but more specifically, it's a square since it's got 490-degree angles. This is not a square since it does not have 490-degree angles, so the most specific thing that we can call it is a rhombus. Okay, so that is the type. Next, perimeter. It says A is 6.4. Since it's a rhombus, all 4 sides are the same length. So we can say 6.4 times 4 divided by. So that gives us 25.6 feet for the perimeter. Okay. And then lastly, let's find the area. So again, in a parallelogram, it's still base times height. Now remember, it's not the length of the side. It's not that. It is the height, this distance right here. So we're going to say 6.4 for the base at times 5.8 for the height. So 6.4 times 5.8 is equal to 37.12. So for your area, 37.12 square feet. Okay. Lastly, it's the most complicated one. Actually, I'm going to stop this video and start another one. Okay, so I will see you guys in a second.